Okay, here we are. I'm here at my parents' house in this area. This is the front porch, and this is where I'm going to build the handrail for them. So it's going to replace this one that has that bent on it, and so I need to work around that. So this is all part of that picture, the previous picture that I put in my last video. But hopefully, yeah. So they definitely need a rail to go all the way down to the last step, and this one only goes to that. Actually, it's only on that first step, so they're going to need it. So it'll be great. This will be a great project. So anyway, this is just a quick video showing where it's going to go. Please stick with me throughout this project, and we'll see how it turns out at the end. We'll even show the install of it. All right. Thanks for watching.